Today I'm gonna make a vegan tempeh Mediterranean bowl. Alright, welcome back to my kitchen. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content. I have a lot more content in the work, but I need your help. Get me found on YouTube. Praise the algorithm gods. As you can see, I cut up my vegetables. Sometimes I use a knife. I try to use a mandolin to get them all about the same size, and it makes my cutting life a little bit easier. I'm cutting up this red onion. I'm getting ready to pickle it. Use some apple cider vinegar, some sugar, and some salt. And I whisked it all together until all those ingredients were, dissolved. After we whisk it together, we're gonna bring it to a boil. Now it is important, you're just gonna bring it to a boil, you're not gonna overcook it. So when it starts bubbling, you turn it off and you immediately pour it on top of your onions. Smoking! P-A-R-T-Y, because pickled red onions are the best. So you wanna mix these up, and you want to make sure that they are at room temperature before you place them in the mason jar. Why? You don't want the mason jar to break. So wait till it's room temperature. When you place it in the mason jar, store it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, we're going to make the Mediterranean marinade. Now this is for the tempeh. Now once you put all these ingredients together, you're going to cut up your tempeh as I did right here. I cut mine up into cubes. You can cut yours however you like to cut it. Just go ahead and cut it up right there. And you're gonna place it in your Mediterranean marinade. I placed it in mine all night, but you only need about 30 minutes or so to let it marinate. So I like to experience the full flavor, so I did it overnight. So then you're gonna get your pot right here. Put a little olive oil in there, and you're gonna cook it until it's golden brown, just like that. Once it's like that, you remove it from the stove and get ready to make this pita pockets. Alright, I cut it in half. I open it up. I stuff all my ingredients in there. There you see the tempeh getting stuffed in those pockets. And now you see the cherry tomatoes. Now, I love cherry tomatoes. If you really want to bring out the cherry tomato flavor, you go ahead and roast them before you put them in there. Roasting them, just brings out that flavor. And there you go. Put a side of hummus on there, and there you have the pita pocket. Now if you don't want to do the pita pocket, you go ahead and do your bowl, and same thing, just without the pita pocket, and you're gonna put your onions and your hummus. Now tell me in the comments, what do you prefer, the bowl or the pocket? Let me know. And as you know, I gotta take a bite out of crime. Look at that. And there you go, Mediterranean plate made two ways. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. See you later. Thank you. Have a good day.